Hi guys! Today we're going to export Spotify playlists. If you've ever wanted to move your playlists somewhere else or keep a backup, don't worry because it's actually very simple. First, unlock your phone and open the Spotify app. Once the app opens, you'll land on the home screen where all your music options are visible. This is where we begin, so make sure you're logged into the correct account. Now look at the bottom side of the screen and tap on the library option. As soon as you open it, you'll see all your saved playlists and music collections. Here, you'll notice all your playlists are showing, but there's one important thing to know. Spotify itself usually does not give a direct export playlist option inside the app. So if you were searching for that button, don't worry, you didn't miss anything. We just need another easy method. Now open your App Store or Play Store and search for a third-party tool like Soundias. This app helps transfer and export playlists between music platforms. And that's how you can export Spotify playlists easily using another app. I hope this guide saved you time and made everything clear. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below if you need help with any other Spotify tricks.